Okay, part 2 of the front end redo. Giving everything a clean up today. Yeah, threads need a bit of a clean. I tried to loosen them, but there's a lot of grit and dirt built up in there, so I thought it'd just best give it a quick scrub, get them clean, and make it nice and easy to unwind the perches. They did come off a lot easier unwound, so no damage to the thread. And good to go again. Got this point, the spring was loose, so then we can undo the top nut, remove the Cusco top hats there. And that was all still good condition as well, so they'll be able to reuse when we need to touch them. The biggest problem was the gland nut, but went to Bunnings and in the end got a bigger pipe wrench and we got to it and we were able to get the part number off it.